A zebra does not rush its grazing. It lowers its head slowly into tall grass, lips moving with quiet precision. The black and white lines along its body shift gently as it adjusts its stance, patterns flowing like soft waves when light touches them. There is no tension in the posture, no signal of alarm, only repetition, steady and calm. One hoof presses slightly deeper into the earth, redistributing weight. The tail flicks once, then rests again. Ears rotate subtly toward distant sounds that never rise into urgency. The herd remains scattered across the plain, each body positioned comfortably within open space. From a distance, the zebra seems almost part of the landscape, stripes dissolving into pale gold grass and bright sky. Nothing dramatic interrupts the rhythm. Chewing continues. Breathing remains even. The horizon stretches outward without change. The wild here is defined by balance, not spectacle. Movement exists without demand. If this quiet rhythm feels grounding, there are longer journeys waiting. Extended films where zebras graze across wide plains, where patterns shift slowly under open skies, where calm remains uninterrupted. Subscribe to stay connected to these steady landscapes and return whenever you need a space that moves without haste.